Beep, beep. Guess what we're doing today? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together this cute little gift. But before we get started, friends, let's see who the lucky winner is. Who is going to win Sally the Snow Girl? Paige Turner. Hey friend, you're the lucky winner of Sally the Snow Girl. Be sure and give me your information so I can put her in the mail for you. Congratulations. Okay friends, before I start on today's project, I also want to share something with you. I walked into the Dollar Tree shortly after Thanksgiving, and I saw this little Christmas tree and this little Santa, and they were pitiful looking, but I thought, I'm going to take y'all home and I'm going to just kind of spruce you up a little bit because I knew I could work them into a sweet little gift for somebody for $2, friends. And you probably have in your craft stash some of this ribbon and embellishments. So what it is a little tea light. It's got the little, I put the little candle in there, and I put a little box of Ghirardelli chocolate in this one, and this one has chocolate truffle, I believe. But friends, look how cute. What a cute gift they make. Set it on somebody's desk, somebody's door, give it to somebody. Friend, Merry Christmas. Friend, Happy Holidays. And it's inexpensive, and you're gonna put a smile on somebody's face and make a difference, okay? I just wanted to share that with you, friends, because looking at them, they looked very pitiful, but look how cute they turn out. They are precious. Okay, these are going to be for a couple of my little friends tomorrow night. Okay, for today's craft, friends, I'm going to start off with a box, just a little box, and I had picked this up at the Dollar Tree. And now, remember, everything's $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And I've just got some pieces, leftover pieces of styrofoam, and I'm just going to put them together, but you can get a piece of floral block. They sell it there at the Dollar Tree, but now you're going to pay $1.25 for it. Anyway, I did put glue all over the bottom to put the first one in there, but on the second one, I'm just going to put the glue on the outer edges, because I learned that when you try to stick in the sticks and you've got too much glue in this middle, they will not go in. It's going to be hard. And you know what I did not get, Eric? Give me just a minute. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Friends, look at this nice table I have. Thanks to Santa. He came a little early. Santa and Eric.
I was about to say, I didn't remember Santa using his back to unload this table or put it together.
Oh my gosh.
Santa was MIA on that front.
Well, let's just say Eric.
He just came by to pay the tab. That was it.
That's the best part. No, Eric did a lot of the footwork, and I'm so excited. So now you don't have to leave me a comment that you're worried about my back, friends. I love you, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, so I've already glued the 3 pieces of styrofoam that I just had left over on here. All right. Now, what I did is I just bought an assortment of candies, and I'm going to tell you, friends, a lot of these candies that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I paid $1.25 for them. And then I went to Walmart, and the exact same candy was only $1. So keep that in mind, you know, if you want to save a quarter on every piece of candy that you put into this gift. What I did first is I take the candy that I'm going to use, take a piece of tape, and I put it on the back. I think you have seen me do this before. I did one like this at Valentine's. Kind of protects the chocolate and keeps it from melting.
Judging how you only had 600 subscribers in July, I doubt that many people have seen your Valentine's videos from last year.
Oh, that's right.
The majority of them have showed up and arrived the past few months.
And I'm so excited. Okay, friends. I put the piece of tape, then I put the glue, and it's on low temp. so it won't melt the candy.
That thing got different modes?
Yeah, look. Oh, this is my new glue gun. It's so quiet, you can barely hear it. You can't hear it, but yes.
Well, that's boring.
I know. I almost missed that other one. Like,
I just like it when people complain about things.
well, no, Kathy Lightfoot said it sounded like creaking stairs, and exactly, that's what it sounded like. So I've already done that to all of the rest of the candy. I don't know what all I'm using. I'm just gonna kind of see how it goes here. But basically, you can create this gift, and you can also use it with, if somebody's diabetic and you're going to give it to them, they have snacks that are sugar-free, and you can be considerate in that.
You're already using shish kebab sticks. Just put some vegetables on the end of it.
Okay, what I'm going to start with is like two big that I'm going to center. I'm going to put on each side. I'm going to start with this one right here. And then this one over here.
I was about to say, what's your method to the madness here?
There's no method at all. I just trial and error. Just see what works and see what you like. And
So you're doing this before you glue the truck on? Just easier this way?
yes, it's easier. But friends, let me tell you something. This was the truck that they put out last year, and then they had it again this year. What I did to it, I just kind of outlined it with slicks, detailed it, put those little light bulbs on, and kind of brought it to life. This one has a little bit more life because I painted a border on it. But anyway, friends, I'm sure you might have one of these in your stash, because I know last year we all went wild over them. See, what I do is, see how high? That's pretty good. I'm not ready to glue it on yet. I'm sure you might have one of these little red trucks. I took this one off of a wreath that I had done last year. So let me see. I think I'm going to put animal crackers back here. And in front, I think I'm going to do, and sometimes you have to have your wire cutters handy, because sometimes they're not the right height and you might have to trim them down. And this one's leaning forward. I don't like the way that's looking. Okay, it's going to lean forward. I can get it out. See.
Yeah, but once you stuff tissue paper in there and the truck's up against it, you think it'll kind of push it back up, won't it?
Alrighty. And then I got some of these M&Ms. Everybody loves M&Ms. How about I put them on this side?
What's the Spanish word of the day for today?
Oh, friends, I forgot to say. Bienvenidos, amiguitas. Hoy este día vamos a hacer este regalito. I guess. I said it right. I don't know. I'm trying so hard, friends. I've been looking up words and trying to make sure I use the correct terms for everything before I go at it full swing. But I do know how to say.
Well, you're in Texas. You get the Tex-Mex
version, yes.
Yeah.
I do want to say that I'm getting better. All right, let's see. See how it has these little, I'm going to stick, these are too long, I know. So I found my good pair of wire cutters. And I'm so glad. See, this is going to go right below. And I'm going to try to do another one on the other side. That one's already. Friends, this makes such a cute gift. Oops, what happened here? Well, I guess I'm. Nothing that a little tape can't fix. All right, looking good. Yeah, I was wrecked that I paid 25 cents more at the Dollar Tree. If I had only waited till I went to Walmart, but I never thought, I keep forgetting that they've gone up. All right, now, at this point, what I do is I check to see where I'm at. I want to center the little truck right there, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the truck so that I can put the Santa in the driver's seat. Maybe I better turn it this way so that I can, yeah, about right there. I know some people say they're tired of the red truck, but friends, how excited would you be to find this as a gift that someone brought to you or made for you, put together for you? I'd be so excited. I made this one for my brother. He's the last one that needs to have all this sugar.
I was going to say, you made this for Uncle Pitt?
I made it for my brother, but he works at a head trauma unit, and
good thing he's got shots of insulin.
Yeah, but I figured he could have it on his desk and he could give some to his stressed out people. Okay, friends, then I took some, just some tissue paper. I took 3 different sheets and I cut them, I put them all together, and then I cut them into squares. And what I do is I crisscross them around, kind of like that. And then I just kind of grab the middle in the back and give it a good little twist. And then I start sticking it into places, like right here. I mean, I don't know how much you'd spend on making something like this if you already had the candy and stuff, but it can't, you don't have to fill it up, and you can use whatever you have, because during Christmas there's probably have candy laying around, your candy dishes. It can be a very inexpensive gift. You don't even have to have the little red truck. I just used it because I don't know if it's going to be popular or not next year, so I thought I'd better get some good use out of it this year.
I'm sure next year it'll be like an electric red truck will be the big thing.
Something. Kind of want to make some cactus stuff next year. Kind of want to make one of those cactuses like you, Leanna. You made Leanna.
I'll have to do some Christmas in July cactuses.
Yes, yes.
Makes sense.
See, I'm just covering up the back right here. And these stay in place because I used to have a gift basket business a long time ago. And I did this a lot with tissue paper, and you just stuff it in there and it stays in place.
I've got some old classmates that are subscribed to your channel that can attest to that.
Yes. Oh man, Valentine's and Christmas. I wore everybody out in the family, let me tell you. Everybody had to pitch in and help me. And then my friend Gracie and Teresa, they were angels. All right, this is the last, I think, piece of tissue paper, and then I'll turn it around and see if it needs any fillers, but I think it's gonna be just fine. Okay, friends, how fast and easy was that? Oh my gosh. Here, friend, a gift for you. Merry Christmas. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I hope that I inspired you with an idea, a gift idea for someone. It's always nice to give out gifts to people who don't expect them. And so think about that. And friends, whatever you do, do it with all your heart. Love you, friends. Until next video, see you next time.